Okay, I'm going to show you how to unlock everything on ATV Quad Power Racing 2, and I have a guest here who's going to show you how. And here we go. Alright, first you go to an empty profile, and you pick any random person that hasn't been selected, and then you type in Gold Rush with no spaces. And then you hit OK. As you can see, it says cheat unlocked everything. That means you get every four-wheeler and every person in this whole game. And you can race in any mode you want, and except multiplayer unless you have two controllers. And I hope you enjoyed this cheat. And now I'm going to show you some characters. Unknown characters. Like the troll, he's unknown. And this is the devil girl. This is Doug Gus, and my favorite person is Jeremiah Jones. He is a master, and he's my favorite because he's got aggression is good, his strength isn't very good, his ability is pretty good, and his technique is good. So, and then Dana Creech, his aggression is okay, his strength is good, his technique is good, his ability is good. So, now we're going to show you some tricks from the trick book. Alright, that's it for this video. See you later.